Hi, this is Stuart with Aerating-Thatching Company, landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. What we're looking at here is a new sod installation. This was dropped in May. Okay, this is November. So, see if I can show you what's going on here. This lawn's having a problem. Getting a lot of weeds now growing in here. We're getting this is a poa grass right here that's coming in, and that stuff seeds all the time, keeps replicating throughout the lawn. Here's another grass. It's a bunch grass here. That's an annual grass there. In Western Washington, we consider this a weed. Okay, and there's some more poa right there. You can see this is November. It's still seeding. Okay, trying to replicate. Okay, this is a nice grass right here. That's a perennial ryegrass, and that's fescue. And so what's going on here is they did a beautiful project here. This is a nice house. Okay, and they redid the front yard and everything, and put in these retaining walls here and all soil and new plants, new sod, sprinkler system, redid everything. They use the same soil they use in the garden. The soil is settling all over the place. So this lawn's really bumpy now and wavy, and it's going to continue to be that way. And so the lawn is losing color. And so I've just aerated this, and I'm going to put on a soil amendment here just to try to bring back the health in this lawn and prevent any winter damage from happening here. I am trying to get a connection between the sod grass and the soil, get the biology in the soil correct is what I'm trying to do, so that the new seed he will put in spring will germinate and live, and the grass will not be weak. This grass has got weak, and that's why all these undesirable types of grasses and weeds are coming in here. And a different type of soil should have been used for underneath this sod that was unrolled here. This is just settling and breaking down. It'd be fine in a garden, but this is not a good situation for a residential home lawn. So if you're hiring somebody to put sod down and redo your whole front lawn, and they do great jobs on retaining walls, sprinkler systems, and everything else, they may not know how to correctly install a sodded lawn. Once again, this is Stuart with Aerating-Thatching Company, and I just shoot these on the fly. LawnTuneUps.com. Thank you.